Hello everybody and welcome on the battery show here on our booth at Welding Technology. My name is Nicolas Meyer and I do have the responsibility for the sales as well as for the industrial management.
We are back at Battery Show because laser welding and e-mobility is our core competence.
Welding Technology builds machines, series machines for mass output. On the way there, we allow our clients to run trials in our laboratory and tech center to make sure that you get the right quality and the right quantity of your desired parts.
We are here at the Battery Show discussing all different topics in e-mobility and battery manufacturing. And when it comes to power tools, we need rechargeable batteries.
So as you can see here, today we're presenting the German fuel cell corporation on the Battery Show in Stuttgart 2024 with the complete process chain for the manufacturing of metallic bipolar plates. With the core competences of the partners Zeltwange for leak testing, Von Arden for the coating technology and Welding Technology for the welding of the metallic bipolar plates. In summary, we can offer you the complete process chain in a functionally line.
We are proud to be part of the Battery Show in Stuttgart. Here we have the possibility to show our product portfolio for standard machines and also special machines. Special machines exactly for fin solutions, chiller solutions, condensator solutions and electronic contacts for the e-mobility.